Why do 80% of midnight hikers freeze when they hear a single hoot in the dark? What secret does the owl keep from the sleeping world? And why do legends say it sees what no one else can? Meet the owl, nature's silent hunter. It can hear a mouse scurrying under a blanket of snow, turn its head almost all the way around, see in darkness so deep even our eyes give up. Its feathers, designed for silence, wings beat but only the wind knows. Its stare is unblinking, ancient. Some say owls are guardians, watchers perched between worlds, seeing what's hidden. So here's a midnight mystery for you. If an owl landed by your window under the moonlight, would you follow it into the unknown? Tell us in the comments. And if you're ready for more secrets of the wild, subscribe and keep flying with us.